Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are group 7 from section 806 and we are going to solve option 2 from the SEQ.
My name is AL-BADAWI bin MUSTAFAR RAMDZUAN.
My name is SHAUQI bin HASLIZAN.
My name is Hakim bin Aminuddin.
I am FITRI bin SAIFUL AZNI. My name is AHMAD.
Okay, next, the question is fx equals to ln x minus 1. So, if you want to find the inverse function of f, we need to change the log form into the exponent form. But if the question gives you fx exponent form, the inverse function for the exponent form is actually the log form. But in this case, because the question gives us the log form, so we need to change it into exponent form. So okay, so let's start do this question. So y equals to, okay, let fx equals to y equals to ln x minus 1. So ln is actually log e, log with the base of e. So if you want to change it into the exponent form, we change it and we turn it into the e to the power of y equals to x minus 1. This is the base right now. Okay, proceed. So we want to get the x, so e to the power of y plus 1, and then we get the x. And then we change because the domain is actually x, so we need to change the power of y to x. So the inverse function of fs is actually e to the power of x plus 1. Okay, that's all for me, thank you.
We will discuss question 6a. The question is, given the function y equal 3 sin 4x minus pi over 4, find the amplitude, phase shift and the period of the given function. The first step is we compare the given function with its inner form. Then we factorize the omega value to help us to find the period, to find the phase shift of the equation. Then we compare the equation with the general form that we have factorized. First, based on the general form, we can find out that the amplitude equal to 3. The phase shift is 5 over omega, and when we divide the value, we will get the value which is 5 over 16. Finally, we find the period of the function by using the formula 2 pi over omega. When we substitute the value, we will get the value of the period is pi over 2. Then we get the value of the amplitude, phase shift and the period. First, we will sketch the basic graph of the given function. To sketch the basic graph, we must start it from the value 0 and the complete sine graph must until pi over 2, which is the period of the graph. After we sketch the basic graph, we will sketch the graph that has been shifted. Because the phase shift value is positive, so we will shift the graph horizontally to the right by pi over 16. So the new graph will start from pi over 16, and this is the graph that we get.
So, I will explain the next question, which is 1b in step B. So the question is given that z and z bar are conjugate pairs, such that negative 3 z bars equal to negative 6 plus 4i. So determine z in the form of a plus bi, where a and b is all real number. So first, we use the equation to find the z bar. So negative 3 z bar is equal to negative 6 plus 4i. So we will get z bar is equal to 2 minus 4 over 3i. So next, using the properties of conjugates, z plus z bar is equal to 2a. We will find the z which is not given. So we substitute the value of z bar into the equation. So z plus 2 minus 4 over 3i is equal to 2a, which a is equal to 2. So z is equal to 4 minus 4 over 3i. Z is equal to 4 minus 2, plus 4/3i. So the z value is 2 plus 4/3i. Thank you.
Okay, let's continue to question 1a from set B. The question is, solve the equation 12u to the power of -1/2 minus 18u to the power of -1/4 plus 6 equals to 0. And then u to the power of -1/2 is equal to 1/u to the power of 1/2. U to the power of -1/4 is equal to 1/u to the power of 1/4. And then we make it into this form, 12 times by 1/u to the power of 1/2 minus 18 times 1/u to the power of 1/4 plus 6 equals to 0. And then we have to make this similar to 1/u to 1/u to the power of 1/4. So it will be like this: 1/u to the power of 1/4 to the power of 2. Why? Because we want to let 1/u to the power of 1/4 into x. After we let 1/u to the power of 1/4 equals to x, we will get to this equation. 12x to the power of 2 minus 18x plus 6 equals to 0. And then we will factorize it. We will get 6x minus 6 and 2x minus 1. And we will get the answer x equals to 1 and x equals to 1/2. But this is not the main answer that we want to get, because we don't want to find x, we want to find u. To find u, we have to take back 1/u to the power of 1/4. So we will take the first x, which is equals to 1, and we make it 1/u to the power of 1/4 equals to 1. And then 1 equals to u to the power of 1/4. U to the power of 1/4 is equal to u squared 4. To get rid of this squared 4, we have to power it by 4, and this one we also have to power it by 4. 1 powered by 4 is equals to 1, and 1 is equal to u. Next, for x equals to 1/2, 1/u to the power of 1/4 equals to 1/2, and 2 is equal to u to the power of 1/4. To get rid this sets 4, we have to power this by 4, and 2 we have to power it by 4 in both sides. Then we will get u is equal to 16. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, next is the question from the set B is 3b. For the first step, we must inverse the function of fx. So we let the function of fx as a y, and y will equal to 3x plus 1. Then we make the x as a subject, and we will get x equal to y minus 1/3. Since the domain is x, so we just substitute the y with the x, and we will get the inverse function for fx is x minus 1/3. Okay, so the next step was we want to find the function for the dx. To find the function for dx, we must make the inverse function of fs as a domain to the function of g not f function. Then we substitute the x value with the value of the inverse function of f. Finally, we will get the function for the dx is equal to 5/x minus 1.